Hello, we are going to review today new features from a software that I had been using for many years. It's not complete, but it's something I want to brought to the attention. So let me go for it. I have created a video.
In trading, your edge is everything, right? Well, today we're going to sharpen that edge. We're breaking down all the powerful new features in the NinjaTrader 8.1.6 update. We'll look at new ways to see the market, act faster, and really take control. So let's get right into it. But first,
So this is the story, right? I use Google Notebook LM to create this. I gave the page of the update and tell me, and I ask, hey, this is the website with the new updates. Create a PowerPoint and a video for me. I could have created the video pessimistic, optimistic, neutral, professional, not professional. I allow it to do it the default, right? So there is bells and whistles that's not coming from me. That's coming from Notebook LM. This is why I'm doing this. So we are all in the same page, right?
I have a question for you. How do you really see the story of the market? Every chart tells a narrative, and this update is all about giving you powerful new ways to read it faster and with way more clarity than you've ever had before. So, first up, let's explore a brand new way to feel what the market is thinking. We're talking about sensing its underlying pulse and doing it in real time. The whole goal here is simple to instantly see who's winning that constant tug of war between the bulls and the bears. And this isn't about guesswork at all. It's about getting a data driven snapshot of market sentiment in just a single glance. And here it is in action, the new pulse window. I want you to think of these gauges as a kind of sentiment meter.
So let me go and do it. It's not because I think I can do it better, and definitely the English is it will not be better, but you will get my view, right? This is the pulse indicator, and it's interesting because it gets the data, the brokerage data, so it's real time. Let me change this. It is real time data from the future markets based on executions from real traders on on Ninja Brokerage, on Tradovate, and the pro firms of Tradovate. What I look here, I've been using this for before the release, right? Before the last update, it was already live in the web version and other ways, right? But now it's officially out, right, with the last version. Um, the way I see it is I have E-Mini S&P 500 here and the micros below. And you see I have all of them, the large contracts above and below are the minis, right? The micros, sorry. So today, most of the positions were long in the macros and most of the positions were short in the micros. It is true that it could be a like hedging this, right? The same theme with gold, with oil. Both of them were positive. With gold, both of them were positive. With Nasdaq, both of them were negative, and look, the largest were more negative. And in the Dow, it was positive, all of them. So let's just focus on one. Here we have the average price. The average price of the shorts. This is the average price of the longs, right? To see that here the average price really of the loans is very similar, right? It's just 1 point away. However, the average price of the shorts is 70 points away. And let me go on the chart and show you this. Let's get today's data, right? So it's 69.71. Okay, in the yes. 69.71. 69.71. So about where it is right now, right? That's the average short position on the E-Mini large contract. It's about 10 points away where we are right now. However, it is almost 70 points away. It's here. The average short is here in the E-Mini contract. That's unbelievable, right? It's a very, very far away. So these are deeply negative territory, and these are about flat, right? It is true that the money, I mean, the market just rallied from the day on. We could do the same thing with crude oil, or let's do the Dow Jones because I have it here. So the Dow Jones, um, for the average long, so it's 300 points away. For it's here 400, 444. So this is average long here, and the average long on the large contract is about here. This is a clear difference between who is trading the mini and macro and where there are positions. I mean, to have the average at 69, 169, it's around here. They had to had opened the trades overnight in the US market, right? For the shorts, so it's for 394, 354, 354. So the shorts are now in profit with a large contract. And the short on the micro, it's 452. So it's very similar, right? It's very similar. That's Pulse. It's very interesting. Of course, it would be great to have every single broker on this, but they can't, right? So let's go to see the video again.
They give you this real-time visual read on the balance between long and short positions, showing you instantly where the weight of the market is leaning. So how does this actually work? Well, just imagine all the traders who are betting the market will go up are on one side of a giant scale, and all those betting it'll go down are on the other. The pulse calculation just shows you which side is heavier. It's that simple. It gives you a quick, reliable read on the overall market bias. Okay, so knowing the market's pulse is one thing, but acting on it quickly, that's everything. This next set of features is all about accept.
Okay, so that was Pulse. That's why I said, hey, yes, I can explain, but the mathematics and just the computer does an outstanding job. I mean, it will take me like literally going through. I think I put it here. Uh, Here's the download overview. Somewhere I put the link for. Oh, here is to download the link. So if you want to download this and play with it, is good. And the second feature that they release is finally hotkeys. So
Clean view. This is a total game changer for staying focused. This is really all about muscle memory and speed. These new hotkeys let you instantly toggle all your indicators on and off for a clean view of the price. Place orders with simple mouse click combos.
Yeah, that's what I like is the mouse click combos, right? It just simply like, let me show you. Let me see if you can make it bigger. Yes, there. So order entry now you could have a limit, right, with a shift and left click, or a stop market, alt and left click, whatever you want. So this is a feature that many platforms had. They just updated this. So this is good.
And get to key functions without digging through a bunch of menus. What's the takeaway? It's less time clicking and more time trading. Speed is absolutely crucial, but so are comfort and clarity. So, this next group of updates is all about customization. It's about letting you make your platform a true extension of your own unique trading style. And here's a perfect example: coloring your data.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever. The two most important features were that, this is coloring. Thank you, green. What is this? Thank you, green. Oh, it's pushing. It's pushing. It's pushing. Oh, it's pushing. Thank you. Yeah, so they're pushing after the market. Um,
Data your way.
so coloring.
Happens directly from the right-click menu now.
This is fine. Sharing templates. So if you want my templates, just tell me. Like, it took me some time to build this template with the order flow, the space of tape, the tick, the margins to be $1,000, for example, here. So 1,000, one contract from here to here, right? 50 points. It would be $1,000. The same thing on the ES. So $1,000 here in the YM as well. $1,000 margins. This is as well, like 20 points is $1,000 on the YM. If you just want the templates, is just tell me. Like, you can contact me through here in Discord. Join Discord, and you can get to me.
Now, this is a fantastic update for all the sessions.
Oh, this is something that they brought from TradingView. Oh, where TradingView, it's not original from TradingView, but TradingView is using it quite heavy. So this is multiple time frames shadow, like highlighters on multiple time frames. Very good.
Traders out there. You can now use
There were already like third-party strategies, third-party indicators that could do that, and but now it's officially inside of NinjaTrader.
multiple time highlighters on a single chart. What does that mean? It means you can visually block out the London Open, the New York Open, and maybe a key economic report all in one clean view. All right, let's shift gears for a minute and talk to the developers and power users.
Yeah, that this is the other one, the power users, and let me see, let me hear it, because it will do a very good job.
Is also expanding what's possible under the hood with some pretty major upgrades to NinjaScript. Now, this is a big one for developers.
Yeah, finally, like, I have been using this for what, 15 years, since probably before I went as a professional, like the reading market profile, right? So now finally they have it inside of, or the Ninja script, so you can get the values inside of the script.
Very first time, NinjaScript gives you direct programmatic access to core volume profile values. You can now pull the point of control, the price with the most trading activity, and the value area directly into your custom strategies. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for building smarter, volume aware indicators. So, to quickly recap the power ups for you developers, first, you get that game changing volume profile access. Second, the editor now supports the latest C Sharp 13 features. And finally, you can make your indicators way more user friendly with hyperlinks and better formatting in the descriptions. let's wrap up with some quality of life upgrades. These are those highly requested little tweaks that just make the day to day experience of using the platform that much smoother. You can now easily.
You see, and this is what I say. I mean, for me to be able to explain this, like the way the Google Notebook LM did it, is extraordinary. This is finally good. I can share my entire workspace, right? So from one computer to another, or to you. So this is something like, hey, finally it's done. Like we had that feature in many other trading platforms. So it's finally it's here.
Easily import and export your entire workspace directly from the control center. This is perfect for creating backups or for just seamlessly moving your complete setup to a new computer. And for new traders, the whole onboarding experience is now much, much clearer. This new welcome screen gives you simple, direct options to get started. The trade detector can now trigger pop up alerts, making sure you never miss an important event happening on your chart. So when you put it all together, the story of this ninja.
So that's in a nutshell what the big thing. So the pulse indicator. I I would like to be able to control to see historical data here, right? So say, hey, when there is discrepancies between the long and the shorts, the large contracts and the micro contracts, let's do historical data and see what we can analyze. That's something that will probably take some time to include, but finally it's here. So I'm happy to share that. And like I said, if you want to play with this, yes, there's a link here, like to download, right? It's free, you get data and so on. Good luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.